Mink? Yeah, we're in for a trade already. Last trade for the day. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to day number... Close the blinds behind you. Day number 17. Thank you, H-Trade. Just excited to kind of get going. We got 3 minutes before market open here. We do have a decent amount of news today. This is what I think. The last few bank holidays, you guys, I've sat out because it's a bank holiday. I typically don't trade them. But recently, these bank holidays, I've been going back and testing the price action that it's given me, and I honestly don't see a problem with at least trying one. Like, it moves still super fluid. I mean, if anything, it's just moving like maybe a point less, you know what I mean? So we'll go with it. We'll go with the like, if today's unreal, we're just calling it quits. But yeah, other than that, let's get straight to it. All right, you guys know the plan. We're going to take a look at what kind of news we had. And we had news today at 6:30. It's now 7:30. We had unemployment claims, core durable good orders, and durable goods orders, all which finished par or above par. Weekly chart. We are bullish still. I mean, you know, this is kind of tough. I can definitely consider this a liquidity sweep, and then the close on the weekly candle does end up being somewhat bullish in this massive bullish or bearish weekly candle. And if we actually open up the line chart, it says we haven't even made a lower low yet. So with that in mind, we're just going to consider it a sweep. And we're going to say that we are still bullish on our weekly chart. Daily, different story here. I'm going to need a good candle close. Well, we do get one above here, but I want another good candle close above here to be super bullish. We also have that daily fair value gap that we've reacted off of twice. So we'll keep that in mind. This guy right here. Stretch that out. Pause. 4 hour, we've completely inverse this gap. Very nice. Let's go. I like that. Very decent. This is the gap on Monday that we were talking about not longing into, if that makes sense. Short King, what's up, brother? Every bank holiday has been green day for me, not gonna lie. Let's go. Let's get Short King. You weren't in yesterday. Had an emotional breakout on charts today and almost fucked up everything, but we good. Yeah, well, I'm good. So I was tired yesterday, so I slept after work. Dude, I think that's a super important thing to include in journals that I think some people overlook sometimes, is when you take a trade, always try to remember how you're feeling as well. Because emotions, you know that, emotions are probably 90% of what traders, or pardon me, 90% of how you execute in any trade or even analysis, right? So just always journal how you're feeling. And I promise you, if you journal correctly, you're going to see like patterns in how you trade. All right, 4 hour. Go back, take a look at the 4 hour. We're bullish on 4 hour. We're going to get a candle close above here. Then we'll be bullish. We have 28 minutes left on this 4 hour candle. So that's these. And then 1 hour as well. We're also bullish. Reacting off of fair value gaps and shit. Nice, nice. 15 minute. A lot the same. Very nice inverse here. And then a fair value gap of its own from here to here. Everything is pointing me bullish. Now we go to session liquidity starting at 17. So our Asia session low is going to be right here. And then starting at 1. So that was actually taken, but we have London session low right here as well. Now we open up the 2 screens. We go to MES. We have London session low right here, which actually has a high time frame bullish SMT. Neat. So what I'm looking at for high time frame bullish SMT, where I saw it, it's this candle. It's these two candles here. Quite slight, but it's there, and it's pushing us upward. So it's reacting off of it. That's all we check. Check 4-hour SMT, just saying. All right, let's work our way up. Okay. Okay. Definitely bearish, but if we continue with our bullish momentum, I honestly, okay, we'll keep this in mind. Absolutely, we'll keep this in mind. Mink? Yeah, we're in for a trade already. Last trade for the day. We'll keep that marked out as well. All right. Okay, let's scale down. We'll just take our time here. Fun part's done. Now the boring part's here. We're just chilling out until it's set up. How you guys been today? How you guys doing? Not really a big football guy. If I had to say, the only two teams that I know are Real Madrid and Barcelona. But I remember playing FIFA 15 back when Road to Shaw and like KSI were first like blowing up for like doing packs and shit. I was a big fan. Do you guys know who Deji is? Okay, we have a more recent bullish SMT though. Comedy Shorts Gamer here. Cooked. And we have 4-hour high time frame bearish SMT with a big sell-off. Okay, hold on here. Hold on. Lock in, lock in, lock in. The disgusting Drake candle. We have a high time frame and a low time frame SMT though. Wait, what? What just happened there? Max margin. Oh, whoa, why is it on ES there? That's kind of cooked. Yo, you guys see that? I tried to buy I tried to buy ES contracts. That's the first time that's happened in forever. Wick off CE again. I'm fine with entering here. We get a good candle close. Come on. Come on. Mink? Yeah, we're in for a trade already. High time frame, low time frame SMT. I say it every time, but that's legit like all I look for. High time frame, SMT, low time frame SMT reaction. An imbalance made from the low time frame SMT. Come back into the low time frame, react off CE. We struggled to get a candle close through it first. We wick through it again. Close on the proper side of the fair value gap with decent risk as well. Playing on a retrace. We're in a 1 hour fair value gap, 4-hour bearish SMT, which is leading me to play a retrace here. Oh, okay, we got pulled back there. That was not a trail stop option either because of high time frame. Okay, let's keep in mind that we're still super bullish. We'll take one more trade today. Wes, please play after trading. Of course, Raul. Ooh, look at this wick into the fair value gap here. The inverse. Leading after the bullish SMT, which is the most recent, by the way.
Order filled.
Last trade for the day. Oh, that's a scary start already. and then we get stopped out. Okay, that's it for me today. We risked two $250 trades. That's all right.